ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 meaning of Vaheguru. Different people have written different meanings of Vaheguru, but actual meaning of word Vaheguru is still unknown. The word Vaheguru is a combination of first character of the names by which God was called in different yugs. Vaheguru, W, Vahe, H, Go, G, and R, Ru. These are the first names. These are the letters used in Vaheguru. W for Vasdev, जब्ड इन सतयुग, एच फॉर हरि जब्ड इन द्वापर युग, गोविंद जब्ड इन कलयुग, एंड आर राम जब्ड इन त्रेता युग। एंड देखिए वासुदेव का जाप था सतयुग में जो वाहिगुरु में डब्ल्यू है, एच रिप्रेजेंट हरि जिसका जाप था द्वापर युग में, वाहिगुरु में जो जी है गु दैट इज गोविंद जब्ड इन कलयुग, एंड आर फॉर राम जब्ड इन उसका जाप था त्रेता युग में। और इन सभी को मिला के एक वर्ड बाबा नानक ने हमें दिया, दैट वाज वाहे गुरु। इट इज़ द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल वासुदेव हरि गोविंद राम। अगर हम वाहेगुरु वर्ड बोल रहे हैं तो हम किसकी रिसाइटिंग कर रहे हैं एक साथ में, वासुदेव हरि गोविंद राम। That is the meaning of Vaheguru. If we say Vaheguru, we are reciting. If we are reciting Vaheguru, we are reciting Vaste, we are reciting Hari, we are reciting Govind, we are reciting Ram. तो अलग अलग रिसाइट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। वाहिगुरु बोलिए, आप भगवान राम को भी याद करेंगे, गोविंद को भी, हरि को भी, वासुदेव को भी। Cbse sample paper class 12 chemistry session 2020-21 section A by Amrik Singh PGT chemistry। डियर स्टूडेंट, जो टाइम ही है पेपर के लिए ऑफलाइन होना है 2020-21 में पेपर विल बी ऑफलाइन एंड टाइम इज 3 hours। जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस there are 33 questions in this question paper. All the questions are compulsory, and section A there are four sections: section A, section B, section D. Section A consists of question 1 to 16 are objective type questions. Question 1 and 2 are passage based question carrying 4 marks each, while question number 3 to 16 contain 1 mark each. Section B, question number 17 to 25 are short answer questions and carry 2 marks each. Section C, question number 26 to 30 are short answer questions and carry 3 marks. Section D, question number 31 to 33 are long answer questions carrying 5 marks each. There is no overall choice. However, internal choices have been provided. Use of calculator, log tables is not permitted. Again revising, use of calculators and log table is not permitted. Log table is also not permitted. Section A, objective type. Read the passage given below and answer the following questions. An efficient aerobic catalytic system for the transformation of alcohol into carbonyl compound under mild condition copper-based catalyst has been discovered. This copper-based catalyst utilizes oxygen or air as the ultimate stoichiometric oxidant, producing water as only the byproduct. And the diagram is given as some alcohol is given and alcohol is changing into ketones. It's secondary alcohol, obviously it will change into ketone. If primary alcohol, it will change into aldehyde. And a wide range of primary, secondary, allylic and benzylic alcohol can be smoothly oxidized to the corresponding aldehyde or ketones. In good and excellent yields, air can be conveniently used instead of oxygen without affecting the efficiency of the process. However, the use of air requires slightly longer reaction times. This process is not only economically viable and applicable to large scale reactions, but is also environmentally friendly. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ने से हमें नॉलेज हुई है कि अल्कोहल को कॉपर बेस्ड कैटलिस्ट यूज़ करके कीटोन्स में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है। ओके, नॉलेज हुई और अंडरस्टैंडिंग यहाँ क्या हुई कि प्राइमरी अल्कोहल को हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं एल्डिहाइड्स में एंड सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल को कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है कीटोन में बाय यूजिंग कॉपर बेस्ड कैटलिस्ट। कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है इस पैराग्राफ के ऊपर बेस्ड। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कॉपर बेस्ड कैटलिस्ट मेंशन इन द स्टडी अबव कैन बी यूज टू कन्वर्ट। हमने देखा है कि अल्कोहल को कन्वर्ट करता है वो एल्डिहाइड में या कीटोन में। तो प्रोपेनॉल टू प्रोपेन एसिड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में तो होता ही नहीं, गलत। दूसरी बी ऑप्शन है प्रोपेनॉन टू प्रोपेनोइक, नो। प्रोपेनॉन टू, इट्स नॉट करेक्ट। डी ऑप्शन इज प्रोपेन टू ऑल टू प्रोपेनॉन, इट इज करेक्ट बिकॉज अल्कोहल इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू कीटोन। Question number 2. The carbonyl compound formed when ethanol get oxidized using this copper-based catalyst can also be obtained by the ozonolysis of ethanol having two carbon atom, and from ethanol we will get ethanol, two carbon atom aldehyde. And ozonolysis, we study this reaction in +1, and answer is butadiene. Butadiene is the फार्मूला CH3CH डबल बॉन्ड CH ये फार्मूला इसका होता है। जहाँ डबल बॉन्ड होता है वो डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है, वहाँ पे O आ जाता है, तो दो कार्बन वाला एल्डिहाइड यहाँ बन रहा है ब्यूटाटूइन का। अगर ओजोनोलिसिस किया जाए तो आंसर इज बी। Which of the following is a secondary allylic alcohol? Answer is A, but3ene 2-ol, whose formula is given on the right side. Okay. Benzyl alcohol on treatment with this copper based catalyst give compound A, which on reaction with KOH gives B and C. Compound B on oxidation with KMnO4 give compound C. Compound A, B, C respectively are. Let us write this reaction. I have benzyl alcohol and it is treated with copper based catalyst. It will its primary alcohol, it will form benzaldehyde, and when I'm adding KOH to it, it is Cannizzaro reaction. One molecule will be reduced to alcohol and other will be oxidized to potassium salt of carboxylic acid. And B, when treated with KMnO4 KOH give C, it's okay, it's oxidizing agent, and the answer is benzaldehyde. A, B is benzyl alcohol, and C is potassium salt of benzoic acid. That is option A is correct here. Question number 4. An organic compound X with molecular formula C3H8 on hydrogenation with this copper based catalyst give compound Y, which reduces Tollens reagent. X on reduction with sodium metal gives Z. What is the product of the reaction of Z with the 2-chloro-2-methyl propanone? Let us convert this statement into reaction. We have X, formula is C3H8O, and copper based catalyst is applied and we get Y, and which does not reduces Tollens reagent, means copper based catalyst gives us either aldehyde or ketone. Here we are getting the aldehyde because it reduces Tollens reagent, and a 3 carbon atom aldehyde having 3 carbon atom is CH3 CH2 CHO, and this can be obtained from propanol. Okay, now first is clear. When this X is treated with the sodium, we will get a Z, and a Z is a sodium properoxide, and when this Z is reacted with the 2-chloro-2 methyl propanone, whose formula is given, Yes, and we will get the compound. Answer is A. A is the correct option. We have convert all the above question into statements, written all the reactions, and we will reach to the conclusion that answer is A. Again, paragraph is given. Uh, the amount of moisture that lather absorbs or loses is determined by the temperature, relative humidity, degree of porosity, and the size of the pores. Moisture has great practical significance because its amount affects the durability of leather. And in articles such as shoes, gloves, other garments, the comfort of the leather. High moisture content accelerate deterioration and promotes mildew action. On the other hand, a minimum amount of moisture is required to keep leather properly lubricated and thus prevent cracking. The study indicates that the absorption of moisture by leather is a multi-molecular process and is accompanied by low enthalpy of adsorption, further 75% relative humidity, and the adsorption is a function of surface area alone. Hide is tanned to harden leather. This process of tanning occurs due to the mutual coagulation of positively charged hide with negatively charged tanning material. Untanned hide and chrome tanned leathers have the larger surface areas. The leather tanned with vegetable tanning material have small surface areas since they are composed of less hide substance and the capillaries are reduced to smaller diameters, in some cases probably completely filled by tanning materials. The result of the study indicated that the untanned hide and chrome tanned leather absorb the most water vapor. And question based on this is assertion type question. I keep you mind the assertion type question are also asked. In this question 5 to 8, statement assertion followed by the statement of reason is given. Choose the correct answer out of the following choice. Option E, assertion and reason both are correct statement and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion and reason both are correct statement, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is correct statement, but reason is a wrong statement. Assertion is a wrong statement, but reason is correct statement. Yes, we have given four question. Assertion: vegetable tan leather cannot absorb a large amount of moisture. Reason: porous material have higher surface area. Assertion is okay, but B is not correct explanation. That the option B. Assertion and reason both are correct statements, but reason is not explanation for assertion. Second question, assertion. Animal hide soaked in tannin result in hardening of leather. Reason: tanning occur due to mutual coagulation. Okay, both assertion and reason. Okay, both are correct. Therefore, A is the correct option here. And assertion: adsorption of moisture by leather is a physiosorption. Reason: it is a multimolecular process and is accompanied by low enthalpy of adsorption. Okay, both assertion and reason both are correct. Again, option A. Assertion. Question 4, assertion is leather tanned with vegetable tanning material have smaller surface areas. Reason: the capillaries present in leather are reduced to smaller diameter. Both are okay. Assertion and reason, option A is correct. Assertion and reason both are correct. And statements and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Or fourth, there is a choice. Assertion: leather absorbs different amount of moisture. Okay. Reason: some moisture is necessary to prevent cracking of leather. But B is not the correct explanation of assertion. Therefore, option B. Both assertion and reason both are correct statement, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. These four questions. Now, following question number 3 to 11 are multiple choice question carrying 1 mark each. Which of the following option will be limiting molar conductivity of CS3COH if the limiting molar conductivity of CS3CON is 19.1? Simon centimeter square mole inverse limiting molar conductivity of individual one are given in the table. We have given the data and it's the numerical of unit number 3rd, and answer is 390. You can calculate, see your book and calculate this numerical answer is C. Curding of milk is an example of denaturation of protein. Breaking of peptide linkage, no. Hydrolysis of lactose, no. Breaking of protein into amino acid, no. It is example of denaturation of protein. D is okay. Or option is there. Disaccharides that are reducing in nature are sucrose and lactose, sucrose and maltose, no, no, no. Lactose and maltose is okay. C option is okay. Now, question number 5. When 1 mole of benzene is mixed with 1 mole of toluene, the vapor will contain given vapor of benzene 12.8 kPa and vapor pressure of toluene 3.8 kPa. We know that benzene is non-polar but toluene is polar. Forces are stronger in toluene and weaker in benzene. Therefore, benzene will be more in the vapor, higher percentage of benzene. The vapor will contain higher percentage of benzene. Option C is correct here. Question number 6. Which of the following is the reason for zinc not exhibiting variable oxidation state? Write the electronic configuration of zinc 4s2 3d10 and d orbital is completely filled. Option B is correct. Which of the following is a diamagnetic ion? Scandium 3 positive. It has no unpaired electrons. Scandium is 4s2 3d1. All the electrons are removed and all the electrons are paired. 4s and 3d electrons are removed. In Sc3 positive, write the electronic configuration, you will get the answer. Question number 7. Propanamide on reaction with bromine aqueous NaOH give. It is a Hofmann bromamide reaction. It is a Hofmann bromamide reaction. Propanamide 3 carbon atom one carbon atom is reduced, that is ethylamine or ethanamine. B is correct. Please study Hofmann bromamide degradation. IPAC name of product formed by the OR reaction by methylamine with the 2 moles of ethyl chloride. That will be monolysis N-ethyl N-methyl ethanamine. Option D is correct. Please study monolysis reaction. Ambidentate ligand like NO2SCN are unidentate ligands. Always keep in mind ambidentate, always that given in the definition they are unidentate ligands. Next question is from coordination compound. The formula of the coordination compound tetraamine. Tetraamine aqua chlorido cobalt third chloride. It is option A. Tetraamine 4NH3 aqua H2O chlorido Cl cobalt third chloride is for option A. Answer is A. Now, question number 9. Which set of ions exhibit a specific color? To show the specific color, the d orbital should be partially filled. That it should not, d subshell should not have 0 or 10 electrons. The condition is satisfied if we see, we write the electronic configuration. It is satisfied by C. V3 positive, V2 positive, Fe3 positive. It is answer is C. Identify A, B, C and D. We have given the diagram. A, if we are adding alcoholic KOH to alkyl halide and we will get elimination reaction and we will get alkene. That 2 carbon alkene is a CH2CH2 or C2H4. If we get aqueous OH, then we will get displacement, nucleophilic displacement, substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction, and Cl will be displaced by OH, C2H5OH, and we add AgCN, we get isocyanide because AgCN is a covalent reagent and a favorable attack will be from N side, and isocyanide KCN is the ionic reagent and attack will be from carbon side, majority attack, and we will get cyanide, and option A is correct. It is satisfying all the things. The crystal showing Frankel defect. Frankel is leaving its position and occupies an interstitial site. That is answer is A. It is A is leaving its position. A is leaving its position and occupy interstitial, बीच वाली position occupy कर लेता है. Okay, in the following questions 12 to 16, if statement of assertion followed by a statement of reason is given, choose the correct answer out of the following choice. Assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion as we did the question number 2. Assertion and reason both are correct statement, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is correct statement, but reason is wrong. Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct statement. Based on these questions are question number 12. The two strands of DNA are complementary to each other. Reason, the hydrogen bond are formed between both assertion and reason is okay. Option A. And reason is the exact explanation of assertion. Question number 13. Assertion, ozone is thermodynamically stable. Respect, no, it's wrong. Oxygen is more stable. And reason, decomposition of ozone into oxygen result, it's also wrong. Both are wrong. Okay, assertion is wrong, and reason is also not the correct explanation of assertion. Reason is okay, but question number 14. Assertion, aquatic species are more comfortable in cold water rather than in warm waters. Reason, different gases have different KH note. Reason is not right. Assertion is okay. Option is B. Assertion is good. Reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Now, or assertion, nitric acid and water for maximum boiling azeotrope. It's okay. Reason is azeotrope are binary mixture having some composition in liquid and vapor phase. Okay, statement is good reason, but is not the explanation of assertion. Both are correct, but here 14 also B option is there. Both have B option is the answer. 15, assertion, carboxylic acid are more acidic than phenol. No doubt it is okay. Reason, phenol are okay, phenol are orthoparadirecting. Both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option B will be there. Question number 16. Assertion, methoxyethane react with HI to give ethanol and idomethane. Okay, reason, reaction of ether with HI follow. Both are correct. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Assertion and reason both are okay, and reason is the exact explanation of assertion. ਇੱਕ ਫੀਕਾ ਨਾ ਗਲਾਏ ਸਭਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਸੱਚਾ ਧਣੀ, do not utter even a single harsh word, your true lord and master abides in all. हियाऊ न कही ठाह माणक सब अमोलवे, do not break anyone's heart, these are all priceless jewels. Thank you for attending the lecture by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry.